Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify cross-chain messages on LayerZero Explorer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the LayerZero Explorer homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the transaction or message ID that you wish to verify. Press the search icon or hit enter to initiate the search. You will be directed to a page displaying detailed information about the transaction. Review the transaction details, including the sending and receiving chains. Check the timestamps to ensure that the transaction is within a relevant timeframe. Look for the status of the transaction, which should indicate whether it was successful or failed. Scroll down to find a section that outlines the cross-chain message details. Examine the specific message format and content to ensure it matches your expectations. If applicable, check for any logs or events that relate to the message on both chains. Take note of any confirmations required for the message to be fully verified. If the transaction involves multiple steps, repeat this process for each step. For further verification, compare the information with data from the originating chain's Explorer. Make sure to check the final state of the transaction on the receiving chain's Explorer. Document any discrepancies you encounter during the verification process. If everything is consistent, you have successfully verified the cross-chain message. Conclude by summarizing your findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.